Hello, this is Jonah Bart from Kawayan, and behind me is Danhugan Island. My word for today is the Ilonggo word kibot. What does that mean? It's surprise, that's kibot, and when you're surprised, it's nakibot. And you know why? That's the word that's in my mind because today I met a couple, and the girl is from Germany, also her boyfriend, and I met them here right now as they were on their way to the island. And she came up to me and said, "Are you Joan of Arc?" And I said, "Yes." And I was wondering why, and she said she recognized me because of this video, and I was like, I'm blown away. So I was taken by surprise. It's a really pleasant surprise, and I'm so shook to use millennial language. And it also means kibot. Na kibot, really surprised. And so I'm happy about that. That's why I had to make this 1 minute video for our word for today. So nakibot gid ko. That's the sentence. I was really surprised. So stay tuned for the next word and our next video. See you soon. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, Jacqueline and Claudius, and hope to see you soon when I get to Dunhugan. Bye for now.